everyone, Dan with Sway Designs Woodworking, and this is part 3 of the urban logging series. I'll quickly be going over how I stacked and stickered all of the lumber that came off the mill. The first step in the process was to put a bunch of stickers down on the base layers of cinder blocks. Once we did that, I quickly sorted through the stack to try and find what I thought was the bottom board. Now I wanted to clean these off quickly and get as much sawdust off as possible from the milling process before stacking them. That's to prevent mold and mildew growth. We started stacking and continued stacking until we realized that we didn't have all of the correct boards stacked in the right order. So what we did is we disassembled it to get all of the boards in the correct order as if they were still in log formation. And that's just so that way you can have a better chance of book matching things later on. Once the first 2 logs were all stacked and sorted, it was time to set up the base for the largest of the 3 logs. Now, if you focus on the very ends of the cinder blocks, you can get those parallel and level with each other using a masonry string strung across in an X. When the string just touches, you know that each side of the cinder blocks are level and even. Then if you string them across in a straight line, you know you have 2 parallel lines where you can use to set up all of the other cinder blocks also in a parallel plane. There was one nail that we could not get out, so I circled it and left it for later.
Alright everyone, the moment we've all been waiting for. Let's put a little bit of water on this and see what it looks like.
Now that's some cool looking wood. With most of the 3rd log stacked, all we had to do was put on 1 or 2 last pieces and then ratchet strap them down together, and then it's time to let them dry. I'm predicting it's going to be about 3 years before I can actually utilize these. I have yet to get a moisture meter on them, but they're still pretty wet. And that does it for this one. Thanks for watching, like and subscribe.